Hello, I'm Gio.
Hello, I'm Usan, Gio's mom.
Today, we're gonna do some science experiments with the volcano. It's actually not a volcano, but we're gonna try to make this erupt, and these are the things. Volcano, which is actually plastic here. A plate. And a beaker. And a spoon with a large one and a small one. I'm not sure if you need it. I said I don't think I need it for the small one. And we need a baking soda and citric acid. Be careful with that. And a water. That's all we need. Okay, Mom. Okay, now we'll start the test with the volcano. First, my mom, what we need is a baking soda, please, and a yellow spoon, please.
Here is a yellow spoon.
Thank you. Now, now I'll open the baking soda.
There is a scissor. You can use scissor.
Okay.
Maybe.
By the way, you gotta have to really be careful with this because this can cause some serious eye irritation. Okay, I'll be careful about opening this. Oh, okay, I think that does not work. For the children, I think you guys should use a scissor so the thing don't pop out. It could pop out still. I'm cutting it. Okay, I cut the bake. Okay, it cannot come out. Sorry, let me just cut this a little bit more. Okay. Okay, I cut the baking soda. On the instruction, 2 large spoons this side, the big side. To get a spoonful. Okay, and put in the top crater of the volcano. Get in that thing. Mom, what should I do with the baking powder? Okay, I'll just pretend I did that. Another spoonful. And put it there. Why am I keep spilling?
Because you are a child. It's okay. Everything is good.
Take it. Okay, take them.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you
need. I need
acid.
Okay, 1 spoon. Okay, this is really dangerous as well. It can cause same eye irritation. So just be careful with everything, with the acid and the baking soda. Okay, I'll really be careful with this because it's an acid. Oh my gosh, it's that. Okay, the acid is in the place. Now, on the floor, fill the beaker with the 15 to 20 millimeter water. This is a beaker, if you didn't know. Okay. Let's see, 15 to 12. Okay.
How about the put a button here?
Okay. No. I just spilled. We'll be right back. Beep. Okay. If you look closely on this, there's these numbers 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and it says milliliters. So on the instruction it says fill this only to 15 to 20 milliliters. So I'm gonna try to not to get too many. Okay. I think that's 20 milliliter. So now on chapter 5, pour the water into crater hole with. Okay, now I gotta put this in there. Oh my! Goodness!
It flowed. Yeah, pour water.
Okay, guys, the thing officially worked as you can see. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is really interesting. But we still have 3 more to go. This is just the first one. Oh my gosh. Welcome to chapter 2, guys. For this one, all the equipment are the same, but we added this dish soap. And the last one was called Blow to Explode. And this one's more eruption. Okay, let's start. Okay. For chapter 2, using yellow measuring spoon, add 2 large round spoonfuls of baking soda to the crater hole. Okay, I gotta use a bit 2 spoonfuls, right?
Yes, you're right.
Okay, 2 spoonful. 1 spoonful. Okay. Second spoonful. Okay. There. Okay, there. Now they're there. Okay, to the next. Okay.
Next is acid.
Wait, Mom, are you sure I can put this in now?
Yeah, here is a 1 large rounded spoonful of citric acid.
Okay, it's almost the same.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 spoonful of acid. I can drop it. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Guys, if you think something will happen to your hand, just wear gloves. It really did not happen nothing to me. I think it just will happen when, oh my, why did I do that? Oh my gosh, just stand there. Just, yeah. Okay, now for the next one. It's almost the same, but we're just from 20 milliliters
It's a 15 milliliter this time.
Okay. Oh, that's a little bit too much. Mom, that's a little bit too much. What should I do?
How can I? I think we have to pour a little bit here.
Yeah, just pour it back a little bit. Is it 15?
More.
No, not that much.
Yeah, because we have to add the soap.
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay.
Now we add the soap. Yeah, I got that. Okay,
Are
now.
you sure that's 15?
Let me see.
It's not 10? A little bit.
Yeah, that's 15. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll pour the soap, 5 milliliters.
Or it's 1 large spoon for dish soap. So just you can measure it. Just with this because it's pour on your trousers. Yeah, it's good.
I'm dropping it. Dropping it in.
Good. That's it. And stir it.
Okay. Let's go, boys. Gas. Okay, it has been stirred. Now, what's the next one?
And pour the mixture.
It's the same.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not.
Wow, it's
like a yogurt.
Yeah, it's creamy. How is it? Oh, great.
Why does that look like a yogurt, Mom?
Yeah, you are hungry?
We already eaten our dinner.
Yeah, you're right.
We're actually filming this like almost at 9 p.m. now. Okay, guys, we're on to the third experiment. It's all exactly the same as the second one, and for third one, we just added this little guy called the coloring agent, and I think I'm just guessing, but I think he'll change the color of the lava thing coming out. I'm just gonna have a guess. Okay, it's probably the same. Yup.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, let's do this.
2 baking soda.
2
spoonful baking soda.
Okay, 1 in. 2 in. Okay.
Very good. And this is citric acid. It's 1 spoonful.
Yeah. It's salt looking. Okay, I got them in.
Very good. And this one is, what is this?
15.
You can explain.
Okay, now I got to pour 15 milliliters last time, then pour some of the soap.
Dish soap.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's enough. And I'll try to get some soaps in there. Okay, let's get these bad boys in. Okay.
Good.
Okay, I think that's enough.
And this time?
Oh my god, bubbles on the sky. No way.
Beautiful. Yeah, this time is drop 1 or 2 coloring agents in. Can I help you?
I'm not sure.
It can be pop up, so if you need it,
fire in the hole.
Others help will be needed. Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries.
I'll drop two.
Okay. Well.
Bruh. Bruh. Mom.
Yeah.
The thing fell out.
Oh, no, don't do that.
That's not supposed to be in the box. Yes, Mom. Yes.
Okay.
One drop. Yeah.
Wow, beautiful color. The color
drop.
changing.
Oh my gosh. Ow, my hands hurt.
Can I help
It
you?
went in the no. Get in the right. Yes.
Yes, 2 drops.
Okay.
And stir it.
What will happen? What will happen? Oh, it's red.
Yeah,
It's
beautiful
red.
red.
It's done red.
Yeah, very exciting. What will be the color?
Okay, guys. Close your eyes. 3, 2, 1. Open them.
Look at that.
Wait, guys.
Yeah.
Guys. If you look closely, I will move the plate near you. It's actually not that whitey.